Welcome back again, guys. On this particular video I want to share with you how you can actually grow your channel organically, right? The first video I have uploaded already is all about shorts, how shorts can help elevate your YouTube channel from one level to another, because I feel shorts is basically underrated. With shorts you can grow your channel, and also I believe we all know that with shorts we can get monetized, right? We all know short, you need 3 million views to get monetized. While the normal regular long videos, you need 4,000 watch hour. And getting a watch hour, to get a watch hour, it means you have to get a lot of views. So that's basically all the same as growing your channel. So now, what we're going to be talking about in this video is how to grow your channel organically. Number 2, remember the first video, which is here, is talking about shorts. Now this one, guys, I want to share with you that you can actually grow your channel using the normal long form videos, but make sure to post consistently. Do not post today and the next time you're posting is probably in a month's time. You're definitely not going to grow that way. You post consistently, guys. Give yourself a schedule. If you're going to post, let's say we have 7 days, right, in a week. Now let's start with Sunday. You want to post a video on Sunday. One video has been allocated for Sundays. Another video, you can allocate another video for Tuesdays. That's if you're not going to have the time to post on Monday, so as to avoid burning out, because the whole essence of this content creation journey is to grow, to learn, to unlearn, and also to have fun while doing it, right? So it's nobody's dream to burn out in the process. So that's why you need to set a schedule. You need to have time for yourself. You need to know when to post and when not to post. Now there are many other content creators that get to post every single day. The fact that they can post every single day doesn't mean you can post that same way. They find it easy to do, or they find it convenient to do, but it might not be convenient for you, probably because of your other work, because to you YouTube might not be a full-time job. Why to them YouTube is a full-time job. I hope we get the difference. So if you're struggling to see if you can post every single day because you're seeing another content creator posting every single day, it will definitely be hard for you. So guys, posting consistently is another big deal that you need to lock in on this YouTube app. If you're cool with the shorts, go ahead with that. If you're cool with posting consistently on based on the videos, right, make sure to always keep up with it. If you're deciding to post 3 times a week, make sure you're posting 3 times a week. If you're deciding to post 4 times a week, make sure it is always a 4 times a week. You really don't want to confuse the algorithm. It's not going to be in your favor at the end of the day. So confusing the algorithm is not a good thing. Make sure you keep to whatever standard you set for yourself. If you know you cannot keep up with 3 times a week in the long run, then you can reduce it. Consistency and having the same pace will help grow your channel faster than you ever imagined. And when viewers start getting access to your videos, when they start seeing your videos and liking your videos, then every now and then they are expecting a video. There they will now understand that this person gets to post twice a week, probably on the Mondays and on the Fridays. So every Mondays and Fridays they expect a video from you. So this is why it is important to stay consistent, and it's also important to remain to always keep up with that pace. Whatever days you schedule to post, make sure you post that day. We're grateful for YouTube that makes it very easy. You can actually schedule a post. If you want your video to come up on the 1st of August and today is 26th of August, my dear friends, you can actually do that. You upload that video on the 26th after you edit, then you schedule it to be posted on the 1st of August. With that time, you can actually create more videos that you can schedule to be posted in another days on another days rather. So guys, I really hope this helps, that you can actually stay consistent on the long form videos and you will grow from there. Once the YouTube algorithm understands that this is what you do and this is how you post, it is definitely going to push your channel to a lot of viewers. Remember what we talked about in our previous videos. We have the CTR, we have the AVD. There are a whole lot, guys. So make sure you stay consistent. Make sure you always post when you want to post, when you have decided to post. Then you will see your growth from there. I will see you in my next video. Click the subscribe button, like, comment, share, and also guys, stay safe. Bye for now, guys.